by Shabnam, Minwalla. Druvi, the dragonfly, has just learned to fly. She flies near the pond with her friends. They tease the frogs and eat mosquitoes for lunch. In the evening, Druvi flies to the jungle nearby. She looks at the bird's nest and spider webs. She does not see the clouds gather in the sky. Plop! A raindrop falls on Druvi's head. Druvi wants to go back home, but she does not want her wings to get wet. I need an umbrella, thinks Druvi. She flies to the tamarind tree. It looks like a strong umbrella. The leaves are too tiny, too small to even cover an ant, thinks Druvi. I need something bigger. Druvi sees big, star-shaped leaves. The papaya tree leaves would make a lovely umbrella, thinks Druvi. Oh no, it is letting all the rain in. The wind blows strong, but Druvi has still not found her umbrella. She perches under a plant, but the thin leaves fall up. How unkind you are, Druvi says to the makahiyang plant. Druvi is upset. The jungle is full of leaves. There are thin leaves and fat ones, big ones and small ones, but none are umbrella leaves. Suddenly, Druvi sees a mango tree. It does not have star-shaped leaves nor prickly leaves. The leaves are not too heavy nor too small. Druvi flies toward the mango tree. She perches under the leaf. She has found her umbrella. Question time! Who needed an umbrella in the story? Druvi the butterfly or dragonfly? What did her umbrella look like? A mango tree. A big one, not heavy nor too small. What other umbrellas did she find? Draw them in the boxes. It is a thin leaf and big ones, thin leaves and star-shaped leaves. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you listen to I read the story and always like the bell button. Bye.